Connect the Windows USB drive to the computer and reboot it. Immediately after the reboot begins, press a certain key on the keyboard to open the boot menu. I pressed the F12 key. For you it could be EB, F8, F9, F11, F12, or some other key. There is no single standard and different computers may have different keys to call the boot menu. The boot menu opens. Find the installation USB flash drive in the boot menu. Press Enter. The installation menu will open, but we will not install Windows. Next, click Repair your computer. The System Recovery menu opened, and this was the fifth way to enter the recovery environment. You can find solutions to many problems in the recovery environment on my channel. Links to these video reviews are in the video description. My video review has come to an end, and I hope this process of entering the System Recovery menu was also successful for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a nice day.